Welcome to Comma Capital. In this video, we will see what's involved in the account verification process in detail. The verification process typically takes around 24 to 48 hours, although it may vary depending on the volume of applications we receive. Please be aware that you can continue the whole process on your phone by clicking here and scanning the QR code. The first step is to select your issuing country. Next, select the document type: ID card, passport, residence permit, or driving license, and continue to upload the selected document. Please make sure the photos are not scanned or digital, and all the edges are shown. The next step is performing a liveness check. Once you've submitted your documents for verification, our team will review them as soon as possible. You will be notified via email once your account has been successfully verified and you are ready to trade. Trade like a pro with Comma Capital.